Hello everyone, this is Heidi Meyers, and I have some good news for the Dreamers. Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA. As you may remember from my last video, I had talked about how the USCIS, Citizenship and Immigration Services, was just ignoring the U.S. Supreme Court decision in favor of the Dreamers and in favor of DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. So immigration advocates had to go back to court and litigate some more in the U.S. District Court, and they got another court order from the U.S. District Court, which went into effect on December 7th, 2020. So now USCIS is accepting first-time applications for Dreamers who had not applied before. So how do you qualify for DACA, for Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, if you are applying for the first time? First, you must prove that you entered the United States or you arrived in the United States before your 16th birthday. So you must have gotten here before you turned 16 years old. And you must have arrived on or before June 15th, 2007. So you have to prove both those things, that you were under age 16 when you arrived in the U.S. and it was on or before June 15th, 2007. So you have been residing here in the United States for more than 13 years, basically. And additionally, you also have to show either that you are currently attending school, or you have a high school diploma or GED, or you have been honorably discharged from the U.S. Armed Forces or U.S. Coast Guard. And you have to prove that you have not been convicted of a felony, a significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more misdemeanors, and that you are not a threat to national security or public safety. So you have to prove all of those things. In addition, you also have to prove that you were physically present in the United States on June 15th, 2012, and that you were out of status and that you were illegal, basically. So either you had never had any immigration status previously, or if you had had immigration status prior, you had fallen out of status prior to June 15th, 2012. So you need to prove all those things. So that's the good news. So even if you've never applied for DACA before, you are now, if you qualify, you can now go ahead and apply for DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. This means that it does not formally give you any kind of legal immigration status. It just means that you are in a period of deferred action, meaning that DHS is not going to deport you during the period of time for which your DACA is approved. And you're also eligible for work authorization. You have to show what your expenses are and why you need to work. So that's a very good news. The other good news is that the Biden administration has announced that they plan to introduce legislation into Congress so that the DACA Dreamers would be able to apply for a green card or lawful permanent residency. The other aspect is that USCIS is also accepting applications for advanced parole now from those who already have DACA. But you have to show some strong, very strong humanitarian reason why you need to travel abroad. All right, folks, so just a very brief update on the DACA Dreamers, some really good news, and I hope you have a really good day and a good week. All right, this is Heidi Meyers, immigration attorney. I'm at 11 Broadway, Suite 925, New York, New York, 10004. And my number is 646-508-5688. 5225 or 212-791-4007. And my email is heidimeyerslaw@gmail.com. All right, thank you so much. And if you have any ideas of topics for videos, please let me know. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.